Your brain is not going to accept the solution to a really cool math problem we're going to discuss today, even after I show you the solution. Imagine you tied a rope all the way around the earth, and we're going to make the assumption that the earth is a sphere. Now you get a second rope and do the same thing, but this time the rope is hovering above the earth's surface by 1 meter. Now the question is, how much longer is the second rope which is hovering above the earth's surface compared to the first one? Is the second rope going to be a lot bigger, or is it almost going to be the same size? I'm interested to see what your initial gut feeling is, so pause the video and leave your response in the comment section. Now that you have done that, you might be surprised to find out that two ropes are almost identical in size. In fact, the rope that's hovering above the Earth's surface all the way around by 1 meter is only longer by 6.28 meters. Now I know many of you may still not be convinced, but I'm going to show you the actual math behind it, which is actually very easy to understand. Now we know that the size of the first rope is just the circumference of the earth, which is 2 pi multiplied by the radius of the earth. That's roughly 40,000 kilometers. Now the rope that's hovering above the earth has the same formula, except the radius is increased by 1 meter. So now if you use the distributive property, the length of the second rope is just 2 pi multiplied by the radius of the earth plus 2 pi meters. Now the first term, which is 2 pi times the radius of the earth, is just the length of the first rope. And the second term, which is 2 pi meters, is the additional length, which is 6.28 meters roughly. So really, 6.28 meters of additional rope would allow you to hover the rope by 1 meter all the way around the earth. That is something I personally did not expect, but the math is pretty simple and clear. That just goes to show that something that may be obvious to many people isn't necessarily always true. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Now I'm going to take a second to promote my tutoring services. If you're a student who needs help with math, science, which includes physics, chemistry, bio, calculus, or even if you're in middle school and need help with any of the school subjects, email me at learningwithsigma@gmail.com. Either I will help you myself or one of my amazing tutors. So I do hope to hear from you. And once again, thanks for watching, and follow for more math.